Duration of this life is uncertain. No one can really know. Defined is only that everybody without exception one day will disappear. This precious life goes one way only. No one, nobody, is powerful enough for reversed lost. If you was born, you're definitely gonna go. This is a suffering, meaningless, unavoidable, empty roam. The wandering has no sense in the past, purposeless in the present, and definitely fruitless in the future. By remembering this wisdom, you'll discover a true core. Recognize the cognitive error that makes illusion seem so real, while real is your own consciousness reflection only. Once the mind recognizes its true nature, it is liberated from the reality of suffering.